How good posture affects your confidence and mood. Posture is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Did you know that the way you hold your body can significantly affect your confidence and mood? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating connection between posture, self-esteem, and emotional well-being. Understanding posture. First, let's break down what posture really means. Posture refers to how we hold our body while sitting, standing, or moving. It can be categorized into two main types: good posture, where the spine is aligned and the body is balanced, and poor posture, which often leads to discomfort and misalignment. The benefits of good posture. Research shows that maintaining good posture can have a powerful impact on your confidence levels. When you stand tall with your shoulders back, your brain interprets this stance as a sign of confidence. Studies have demonstrated that people who adopt an upright position often feel more self-assured in social situations. Good posture helps to project an image of confidence to others, which in turn encourages them to treat you with respect. Beyond just confidence, good posture can also enhance your mood. When you align your body properly, this releases endorphins and serotonin, which are vital for feelings of happiness and well-being. A straight back, open chest, and lifted chin can literally help shift your mindset. Poor posture and its effects. On the flip side, poor posture can have detrimental effects on your self-esteem and emotional health. Slouching or hunching over can create feelings of insecurity and low self-worth. You might feel less energized and more prone to anxiety or depression. The mind-body connection is incredibly powerful. Your body language communicates how you feel to your brain, and poor posture can amplify negative feelings. Additionally, poor posture can lead to physical discomfort and pain, which can further exacerbate feelings of frustration and sadness. Chronic aches from hunching can become a vicious cycle, leading to even worse posture and a decline in mental health. The science behind it. So, what does the science say? A study conducted by researchers at the University of Wonder has shown that simply changing your posture can alter hormone levels in your body. For instance, adopting high-power poses such as standing with your hands on your hips can increase testosterone and decrease cortisol levels. Higher testosterone levels are linked to increased feelings of confidence, while decreased cortisol levels help reduce stress. Simple tips to improve posture. Improving your posture can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few simple tips to help you maintain good posture throughout your day. Mindfulness and awareness. Pay attention to your posture during daily activities. Set reminders on your phone or notes around your workspace. Strengthening and stretching. Incorporate exercises that strengthen your core and back muscles while stretching your chest and shoulders. Ergonomic setup. Ensure your workspace encourages good posture. Your chair, desk, and screen should be at optimal heights. Frequent breaks. If you sit for long periods, take breaks to stand, stretch, and walk around. Practice. Incorporate posture exercises, like wall angels or chin tucks, into your routine. Conclusion. In conclusion, good posture isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. By making a conscious effort to improve your posture, you can boost your confidence, enhance your mood, and improve your overall emotional well-being. The next time you find yourself slouching, remember that a straight back is not just a physical change, it's a gateway to more positive feelings and interactions. Take a moment to stand tall, breathe deeply, and embrace the benefits that come with good posture. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.